session. But let's move on, and sources tell CNBC-TV18 that Life Insurance Council and LIC are likely to write to the Finance Ministry and CBIC with two demands around GST changes. Yash is joining in with us to give us more details on this one. Afternoon, Yash.
Hello, good afternoon. So, of course, as we had it last week, the GST changes and what it meant for life insurance companies in terms of increased costs. Now, what we've been given to understand from our sources is that LI Council, which is Life Insurance Council, as well as the largest life insurance company, that is LIC, are expected to write to a Finance Ministry as well as CBIC, that is Central Board of Indirect Taxes as well as Customs, with two important demands when it comes to the GST changes. The first demand, as we've been given to understand, is make GST changes more prospective and not retrospective. What that essentially means is that life insurance policies generally are 15 years, 20 years long, and these get renewed every year or every 2 years. So, as far as the input tax credit is concerned, on these policies which are already in existence, that input tax credit element should be allowed because these policies were priced at that time, keeping in mind the element of input tax credit, and suddenly when that is taken away on a policy which has already been priced will be a big negative, and hence that input tax credit should be allowed as far as the existing policies which are in running are concerned. The second demand is with respect to exemption of GST on commission expenses. Of course, the government said that the insurance premium on life insurance will be exempted from GST and the reinsurance expenses thereof will be exempted. But another important expense for insurance companies is commission, and life insurance companies are likely to seek commission to be exempted from GST as well. Remember, both reinsurance cost and commission cost together form about 80 to 85% of the total expenses. And life insurance companies are of the view that if commission gets exempted just like reinsurance expenses, then it could mean a win-win situation for both policyholders as well as insurance companies, where policyholders would get the entire benefit of GST and insurance companies won't have to take that additional cost burden when it comes to their own books. The life insurance companies are also expected to reach out to the insurance regulator IRDAI, asking the regulator to endorse its view and seek these two important demands from the Finance Ministry and CBIC, as I mentioned.
All right, take that point, Yash. Thank you so much for that. We'll watch out for how this pans out. Just watch out for a few stocks,